Love the look of outdoor tile, but not the price? Well, I've got good news. Painting outdoor pavers is a beginner-friendly DIY project that gets you the look you love at a fraction of the cost. Painting your patio can add a fun, unexpected element to your outdoor space. I did this project in the epic backyard episode of The Weekender. The concrete pavers were part of a paver patio I was creating in the backyard. Alone, the pavers would have looked nice, but I wanted them to look epic, so of course, I was going to paint them. My first step was to lay them out in the same pattern as my patio. This way, I could easily visualize what it would look like, albeit on a smaller scale. For this patio, I felt like a simple half-circle pattern on each paver would add just enough style and sophistication to the design. To create the pattern, I made my own stencil using a plastic poster board that I got in the outdoor sign section in-store at Lowe's. I created the shape by using a pencil and simply traced it onto the paver. For my design, I chose to do random patterns, meaning some of the pavers had one semicircle, others had two, and I wanted them to be laid randomly as well for an effortless and organic look. You can customize this project in so many ways. You could use painter's tape to mask off geometric patterns, and Lowe's also has a huge selection of pre-made stencils that are really unique and ornate. There are tons of options to make this project your own. Once I had my patterns traced, I was ready to paint. I used a porch, floor, and patio paint, which is specifically formulated to stand up to foot traffic and the elements. I went with a white shade, but you can get this paint mixed into so many different colors. I did 2 coats of paint on each paver and used a 1.5-inch angled brush, but you could use different size brushes or even rollers depending on your design. Once we painted the pavers, we gave them time to cure and then installed them. And the results speak for themselves. I love a DIY project that's fully customizable, budget-friendly, and looks super high-end, and this paver project checks off all the boxes.